We've got James back on the channel. Say hello, James.
Hello.
Being a knob.
Hello.
James back on the channel. Right, we were going to be doing some stuff on the T4 today. We're going to be doing similar to what's on the door of my truck, basically, but a different way. But I, as usual, didn't prepare anything. I didn't get the stencil in. We went out this morning to try and get stencils from Hobbycraft, and they don't do them. So we gave up on that idea because I want it done properly. So I'm going to order the stuff for that online. Instead, we're just going to see what we can do freehand off of here. What should we do?
I don't know. Shall I just freehand something?
Freehand, yeah. Even if it's just blacks, like here's an idea: black soot coming out of the vents, like it's a diesel exhaust or something, and it's just throwing stuff all over the bonnet. I don't know, something.
All right.
I don't know. We're just doing it for the sake of it now, aren't we?
Yeah, I know. So, yeah.
I don't know. That was all I could think of, was having something coming out of the vents like flames or soot, or. But that's all I can think. I don't just want a random picture on my bonnet. Just
I know
for the
what.
sake of it.
I'm just gonna like not consult with you.
Just go for it.
And I'm just gonna do something.
You know what type of shit I like?
Well, no, I don't really.
Well, I've told you many times, but you just keep trying to change it. But,
that's what I mean. I don't know.
If it was your way, I'd have Lord of the fucking Bell Ends on the bonnet.
For Frodo.
Yeah, I'd have Frodo getting bummed by an ogre or something.
Yeah, because that's book accurate.
Right, what we're doing then? What could talk us through what we're doing?
Well, at the moment, I'm just trying to see what kind of flames.
Okay.
It is a hard and steep back evolution with a 0.5mm needle in it.
Oh wow! No one cares. We're going in with quite a bright yellow first, yeah.
Yeah, just to kind of get that kind of emphasis of the colour at the start. I mean, I am kind of making this up. We're doing this totally like
freehand.
Yeah, well,
but normally most people, I've seen most people that do flames, they have them special cards with all the curves and angles on them. But this is all just going to be freehand.
I mean, it doesn't look great at the moment, I say. I hope. Remember, this is all off the cuff, so you know, it may look like shit, but don't know, really.
It's all right.
I've got to put some black in it. I
can always sand it off if I don't like it.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Actually, I kind of like that a bit. I kind of like that. Can we like wisp up a bit more?
Do a bit more of it, yeah?
A very faint wisp going up. Like it's like just soot coming off of it. Do
you think it's any good?
I like the flame. The flame itself looks good. Now it looks really like a bright flame and there's soot coming off of it. That looks good. For me, it's not your work. For me, I'm struggling with the old shitty truck.
And that on it?
With that on it.
Oh yeah, but it was only meant to be a fuck about.
Yeah, I know. But that's what my brain can't comprehend, is that on this old shitty truck. Could you also do some here and just around this?
Yeah, if it don't rain.
Just so it looks like, you know, these vents just have like soot coming out of them.
Oh, just the soot?
Yeah, just the soot. I'm not on about flame.
Oh, okay, yeah. Right, last big load.
Beg your pardon? See, I like the standing here now. That looks fucking cool. Stood here on this video. That looks cool now. You've pulled one off.
No, I haven't. All I did was say, all I did was do what you asked for in the first place.
Well, that is true.
At the very end.
At the very end, you did do what I asked for in the first place.
If you think that's the exhaust and that's the jet.
It's not a fucking jet.
That would have been cool if there was another one on it.
What, another flame?
Yeah.
I did want to.
Yeah,
but you didn't want to do me to, so. It looks good from the front. From here, it looks really good.
That doesn't look so bad, that black, actually.
What, with this, do you agree with me with the soot coming off, though?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it detracts away from the flame, so yeah, I'm happy with that.
Right, final thoughts. What is your take on it now? Let's flip the camera around and have a look.
Yeah, let's be honest, let's call it what it is. It was a spare of the moment kind of thing to do, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't, I didn't turn up here today thinking I'll be trying to paint a flame.
No.
Right, so something completely different. Up until about the last, like maybe doing the yellow, I thought it looked absolute shit. If I'm honest.
So did I.
Now, you know, now, don't get me wrong, I think I could do better. But it looks like a flame. Be interested to hear what people who've seen the video think.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Leave some comments, people, what you lot think of it. Be honest, if it looks shit, tell me it looks shit, I'll get rid of it. And I won't ever ask him to do anything for me again. But or give us some suggestions about what we could do, so at least we could do some planning around it. I know just random pictures of stuff on the bonnet. It's got to tie into this theme. The more I look at it, the more I like it.
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's kind of like, you know, it's a bit tongue-in-cheek.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Because I'm not being funny. I saw the reactions you got when you originally put those vents on, and that was hilarious as well.
What reactions?
Some people said it looked like a yacht.
Well, they are yacht vents.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. But like, you know.
Anyway, back to what I was back to the point I was making. Back to the point I was making. Anyone that builds rat rods or rat look vehicles, we don't care what people think. We wouldn't do this otherwise. Well, it's weird. We do and we don't. We love hearing people's views on it, but when you've got a negative view, we don't care. We do it anyway. Anyway, I went off on a tangent then.
Yeah, I share none of his opinions.
Yeah. Do you like a rod?
Especially a rat one.
What are we talking about?
Yeah, let's talk about like the stuff that we just pulled out of our arse.
It does look good. I need to see this on camera.
It looks all right. It does look all right.
Right, we've added some more around the actual vents themselves to make it look like it's coming out a lot more. There we have it.
Riding clean though, swerving like I've been sipping on lean though. Mean though, if a bitch fuck around with my scene, my team, so we get money just like casino.
Anyway, people, cheers for watching, people. He's been James. I've been Neil. This is the weirdest outro I've ever done.
Yeah, it's a bit.
See you in the next one, peeps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks.